What's up guys, and today the product I'm going to unbox is the one of my favorite product that I have unboxed, and you also going to be like it if you are an iPhone user and want to charge your iPhone with power delivery charging from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. And the best thing about this one is that I have also used Apple original cable and which USB type C to lightning cable, and the bad thing about them was they starts to break very easily from the charger lightning side. And this one is Anker cable, you can see that Anker power line cable. And I also purchased this one and they said it was very durable, but after just use of 3 to 4 months it also starts breaking from the lightning side. And you can see that I have applied some tape and also heat sleeve to prevent it to more breaking, but I wasn't satisfied with that cable also, because you can see that it is now very bulky from the lightning port. So I purchased this one, and this one comes from company Basis, or you can see that Basus, whatever you pronounce it. The best thing about this one is that first of all you can see that it is braided and also it is in elbow shape, or you can see that L shape. So it will be easy for you to play games or watch movies or anything you want to do on your mobile phone, and it is not going to break easily from the lightning side. So let's unbox this one and see what it will provide us. And first of all, you will see lightning to USB type C cable itself, and here are some specifications. We can see that aluminum alloy durable, you can see that aluminum body and braided cable, I've already mentioned that. And you can also transfer data through this cable from your iPhone to MacBook or PC. And it also comes with a storage hook or loop fastener. And here also specifications, you can see that it's also support 18 watt power delivery charging, and it can transfer data from in speed of 480 MBs. And it comes with elbow design, which will make easier to use your iPhone with charging. And there are also some specifications on the back side of the features cable, but let's unbox this. And here is the cable itself, and what we also got in the box is a simple yellow paper, and here are some manuals, or I can say warranty card, I think. Yes, it's warranty card, and it also comes with warranty. I don't know how much warranty, 1 year or how much. And let's put them aside, and here is the cable itself. And let me pull out from box. And first feeling is that it feels very durable as compared to the Anker a power line, and they claim it very durable, but I feels that it is more durable, first of all because it is braided, and the second one is that aluminum body and also in elbow shape. So it will be easy, for example, if you plug your iPhone and you can watch movies and you can use it like this, and everything you can do this, and you can use your iPhone very easily without any problem. And you can see that loop fastener, you can also unfold it and use your cable as much as you want, and after using just tie your cable. And the best thing about the braided cable is that it will not tangle easily as compared to the normal cable. You can see that it can untangle easily. And the fast charger you use to charge your mobile phone is the Anker power delivery charger, and this one is 30 watt charger, and it can fast charge also it can charge your MacBook, and as well as a power delivery charger your iPhone. And the power bank I used is a Rumos power bank, and I also made that video on that power bank, you can also watch that on my channel. And it supports fast power delivery charging and also quick charge 3.0, and you can power delivery charge your iPhone, and also notify you when it is charging a power delivery. So let's start. And here you can see that orange LED, but when it shows when it is charging a power delivery. So like I plugged it in, and now it will turn the orange LED into blue LED, which indicates that it is charging in power delivery mode. And just wait, and you can see that it turns into blue LED, or I can say that green type LED. So it means that it is now charging it with power delivery charging. And you can see that I really like it very much, and it feels very sturdy and durable as compared to the all of the other cables, including Apple's original cable USB Type-C to the second one, and also the Anker one, because they both got damaged from the lightning port. But this one you can see that it is in different shape. It is in elbow shape, and which will prevent it to break, and it also comes in aluminum body, braided, and all of things make it very durable. And it also is not very expensive. I already mentioned that it almost cost you almost 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 dollars if you purchase it from its website. And I've been using this cable for almost 2 weeks or 1 week, I can say that, and I'm very happy with that purchase. And I almost saw that I have wasted all of my money on Apple's original cable and Anker cable. But this one, I can easily suggest you to purchase this one because it is totally worth the money. And if you want to charge your iPhone faster, and you also want a durable cable which will not get break easily as compared to the other ones. So that's about today's video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until, peace out.